Imagine this, your construction site digitalized like a futuristic scene. Laser beams dancing, scanners humming, and free-flowing coffee. I wish that was my morning routine. Hello guys, my name is Devashish and I'm a BIM consultant at Cresire. Whether you are a seasoned pro or a rookie architect with more pencils than plans, this vlog is your backstage pass to the future of construction. In this video, we'll dissect lasers, workflow. So strap yourselves in, BIM brainiacs, because we are about to dive into the latest tech, coolest workflows and mind-blowing possibilities that will make your BIM projects smoother than ever. Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe button and let's get scanning. Let's understand scan to BIM in the simplest manner. Forget blueprints that feels like ancient scrolls. We are talking next level building here, scanners and lasers. Blueprints are replaced by point clouds, so dense they make a fog machine jealous. Scan to BIM, the tech that's turning construction sites into futuristic playgrounds. Think of it like this. Imagine your building, not drawn by shaky hands and wishful thinking, but scanned like $1 million heist. Capturing every nook and cranny with laser precision. That's scan to BIM. It is like giving your building an X-ray, then using those secrets to build a BIM model so accurate it practically begs to be 3D printed. And the benefits, they're sweeter than a construction worker's coffee. We are talking lightning fast project timelines, accuracy that makes a ruler cry, and collaboration so seamless even your grumpy co-worker will have to crack a smile. Plus, it eliminates guesswork like a magic eraser for architects. No more eyeballing dimensions or hoping walls won't mysteriously vanish during construction. Scan to BIM is the Gandalf to your architectural Frodo. So whether you are an architect, land surveyor or an engineer, scan to BIM is your new best friend. Is the future of construction served on a platter of efficiency, precision and head-scratching coolness. Now let's dive into the latest innovations in scan to BIM technology. Number 1. Streamline data capture and processing. New scanning equipment is making scan to BIM faster and sharper than ever before. Capturing building in minutes with point clouds so detailed they'll demand a 3D model generation. Lasers are taking over, capturing buildings faster than ever before. Point clouds like digital fingerprints become the building blocks of your BIM masterpiece. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to laser-powered precision. Streamlining projects like a magic eraser for a construction ruse. Number 2. Enhanced automation and AI integration. Okay, architects and engineers, hold on your hard hats because we are about to talk tech that's so hot. It'll make steel beams melt. It's the combination of scan to BIM, the laser-wielding superhero of construction, and AI, the brain trust with more algorithms than Silicon Valley cafeteria. Imagine this, point clouds, those millions of data points you scan from buildings, used to be like mountains of Legos. Gotta build that BIM model by hand. But now, automation is like the ultimate assembly line. Sorting, connecting and snapping those Legos into place faster than you can say clash detection. And that's not all. AI scans those point clouds, magnifying glasses of algorithms, sniffing out patterns and structures. This means BIM models that are sharper and more accurate. But the real magic is predictive analysis. Think of it as a crystal ball for your building, showing you potential cracks in the foundation before the first brick is even laid. AI spots clashes and snags early, saving you from construction heartburn and turning cost overruns into happy hour funds. Number 3. Collaborative cloud-based platform. The future of construction is connected, where architects in Tokyo can high-five engineers in India over a flawless BIM model. It's all thanks to the cloud, the internet's invisible sky where scan to BIM takes flight. Imagine your building's data captured by lasers and transformed into a BIM masterpiece, soaring through the cloud like a digital eagle. No one emailing bulky files or chasing down teammates with floppy disks. Everyone from architects to contractors can access the latest model anywhere, anytime with just a click. And it's not just about convenience. The real-time collaboration is like having superpowers. Architects can tweak walls, while engineers adjust pipes, all sharing feedback instantly. Think of it as construction telepathy, eliminating miscommunication before it can even whisper. Plus, its cloud's got an amazing memory. Every change, every decision is stored securely, accessible for future reference. So say goodbye to who made the change. Emails and hello to a seamless audit trail that's clearer than a construction site after a rainstorm. So AEC professional, ditch the papers and grab your cloud credentials. Scan to BIM, fueled by the power of collaboration, is the future of construction. It's time to build together, build smarter, and build like digital champions. Number 4. Mobile scanning solutions. Okay, now forget about those clunky back-breaking laser scanners that chained you to one spot. Picture this, you are at a stunning heritage site, wall whispering stories of the past, and instead of bulky machine, you whip out this pocket-sized scanning powerhouse, capturing intricate details with laser-sharp accuracy. This ain't your uncle's dusty blueprints. This is BIM Nirvana in the palm of your hand. But it's not just about toys. These lightweight scanners are like the Energizer bunnies of data capture, zipping through tight spaces and awkward corners. So architect and engineers, ditch the heavy lifting and grab your scanning passports. The world of portable scan to BIM is waiting to be explored, with every corner, every nook, begging to be transformed into a stunning digital twin. Don't miss out this mobile revolution. Number 5. Sustainable design and analysis. Last and not the least, sustainability is the central focus in the modern construction projects. Scan to BIM has evolved to incorporate sustainability analysis, allowing AEC professionals to assess the environmental impact of their designs. Point cloud to BIM modeling provides valuable insights into energy efficiency, material usage, and carbon footprints, helping teams make informed decisions about environmentally responsible construction. These are just first 5 bricks in the wall of Scan to BIM's future. Where will this technology take us next? Only time will tell. But one thing for sure, the future of construction is looking laser sharp. Stay curious, stay innovative, and let's build something epic together. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about building information modeling, and stay tuned to our latest videos.